Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn compressing and extraction of the zip files. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically sometimes we are taking the backup and we want it into a zip file. So that tutorial will be helpful for you. Okay, so let's have a look for that one. So how to create a zip file, right? So with we have to use the zip file. Okay, this is by default in the Python, so for zipping the or unzipping the files. Okay, so let's comment the previous code and let's try to zip or unzip the files. Here we go with this one. So files.zip, so here we're creating a zip file, and these are the zip files which we are going to zip. So here is zip.write example.txt output.txt. Okay, so here we write something. Okay, and then zip these files. Okay, and now extract that files.zip, so it will extracted all the files over there. Let's have a look and let's see the demo. Okay, everything is sorted. Let's have a look. So here you can see that files.zip is zipped, and here is the extracted files with the name extracted files, and here we have both of the files, example and the output.txt. Okay, so very easy and very simple. What we have to do with zip file, whatever name of the files you want to mention, and open into the write mode as a zipf. Okay, then contents that you want to zip, so mention over here zip.write whatever the content or the files or whatever you want to just name the files over there. Okay, after that you want to extract this one, so here we have a zip f dot extract all and the name of the file in which you want to extract. Okay, that's it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.